Many people find turbulence unsettling during flights. It's that unexpected bumpiness that can make you grip your armrest a little tighter. But rest assured, turbulence is a normal part of flying, and pilots are well equipped to handle it. Understanding what turbulence is and why it happens can help ease your worries. Turbulence is simply unstable air. Think of it as rough patches of air that can cause the plane to shake or bounce around a bit. It's like driving on a bumpy road, but in the air. While it might feel alarming, turbulence is rarely dangerous. Planes are built to withstand even severe turbulence. There are several reasons why you might experience turbulence during your flight. One common cause is weather. Thunderstorms, for example, create strong updrafts and downdrafts that can jostle the aircraft. Jet streams, which are fast-moving air currents high in the atmosphere, can also cause turbulence. Another type is called clear air turbulence, which occurs in clear skies and can be harder to predict. This type of turbulence often happens near mountains as wind flows over the peaks and creates waves in the air. Even on a seemingly calm day, there can be pockets of unstable air that cause a bit of a bumpy ride. The Boeing 737 is one of the most popular and reliable aircraft in the world, known for its robust design and ability to handle various weather conditions. When it comes to turbulence, the 737 is designed to take it. Its wings are equipped with special devices called spoilers and ailerons that help control the plane's movement even in turbulent air. Pilots undergo extensive training in flight simulators that replicate various turbulence scenarios. They know how to adjust the aircraft's speed, altitude, and flight path to minimize the impact of turbulence and ensure a smoother ride. While turbulence is usually nothing to worry about, it's understandable to feel a bit uneasy when it happens. One of the best things you can do is to keep your seatbelt fastened throughout the flight, even when the seatbelt sign is off. This will help keep you secure in case of unexpected bumps. Distracting yourself can also help take your mind off the turbulence. Read a book, listen to music, or watch a movie. Deep breathing exercises can also be helpful in calming your nerves. Remember that turbulence is temporary, and your pilots are skilled professionals who are trained